Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, today I am going to teach you two new sounds. E, O. E, O. Children, but before that, we will do revision of few sounds. Sound of G, G, G. Sound of U, A. Sound of L, L, L. Now children, we will sing a song. See the donkey in its stall, E-O, as it's called. Now children, repeat after me. See the donkey in its stall, E-O, as it's called. Now children, I will teach you few words of E sound. Seed. Children, repeat after me. Seed. Feed. Children, repeat after me. Feed. Deep. Children, repeat after me. Deep. Feet. Children, repeat after me. Feet. Sleep. Children, repeat after me. Sleep. Tree. Children, repeat after me. Tree. Green. Children, repeat after me. Green. Screen. Children, repeat after me. Screen. Speed. Children, repeat after me. Speed. Coffee. Children, repeat after me. Coffee. Children, learn these E sound words. Now children, I will teach you O sound words. Corn. Corn. Lord. Lord. Folk. Folk. Sports. Sports. Storm. Storm. Popcorn. Popcorn. Born. Born. Children, learn these O sound words. Now children, we will do an activity from the book Creative Beginning, Language Skill. Page number 66, worksheet number 62. Topic, words with E sound. Look at each picture and complete the word. Children, this is a bee. So we have to complete this. E, bee. Meat. E, M, eat. Meat. M, eat. Meat. Now children, this is a picture of a jeep. 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 This is a picture. Peel. Peel. Feet. Feet. Seed. Now children, repeat after me. Bee. Meat. Jeep. Peel. Feet. Seed. Now, worksheet number 63, topic words with E sound. Color the bubbles with words. Now, children, we have to color the bubbles with the E sound words. So, C. So, you have to color this. Children, you can see the bubbles, no? You have to color all E sound words. C, weak. Weak is E sound word. So, you have to color weak also. Feel, E sound word. So, you have to color feel. Keep, E sound word. So, you have to color this also. Keep. Hand. Hand is not E sound word. So, don't color this. Fee. So you have to color this fee. This bubble you have to color. Heel. Heel is also E sound word. So you have to color this. Kite. Kite is not a E sound word. So don't color it. Bell. Bell is also not a E sound word. Don't color it. Understood, children? You have to color the bubbles with the E sound words. See. Weak. Feel, keep, fee, heel. This you have to color. Children, worksheet number 64. Topic words with A sound. Look at each picture and complete the words. Children, you have to see the picture. You have to complete the words with A sound. Horse. O-R, or. Corn, O-R, corn. Cock, O-R, cock. Form, O-R, form. Horn, O-R, horn. Cord, O-R, cord. Children, repeat after me. Horse, corn, cock, form, horn, cord. Now, worksheet number 65, topic words with A sound. Color the area with A words. Children, you have to color the area with A sound word. Born. So, you have to color born. Color this area. Book. Book is not A sound word, so don't color it. Sort. You have to color this area. Gift is not a sound word, so don't color it. 40. A sound word, so you have to color this area. Fish. Fish is not a sound word, so don't color it. For. You have to color this area. Children, A sound words are born, short, 44. You have to color these 4 words. Okay, children? Children, learn these A sound words and practice at home. Thank you, children.